Have you ever seen HD undetectable skin-like lace so realistic that you screamed and lost your voice? I'm actually sick, but seriously, this is an amazing unit. We're jumping right in. This is my stylist, Touch by TJ, located in Dallas, Fort Worth. His information is in the description box below as usual. He is hot combing this unit into a middle part because what part screams bad E? Like a middle part. I'll wait. So now he is cutting a slit to give him an indication of where to cut the ear tabs. That's the extra lace. He didn't cut me, y'all. I'm just scared of everything. But also for the elastic band. So here's an up close look. So the slits that you saw him cut in the ear lace area, he is actually applying an elastic band, and this is what TJ does for all of the units that he installs and creates for me. He applies an elastic band simply because my head is really small, and sometimes the adjustable straps in the back of the wigs don't really cup and cater to the size of every person's head. So if you measure an elastic band that fits perfectly, then the wig will fit perfectly. It also allows the frontal to lay really flat because it is glueless. We do add the spray, but that's just for a little razzle dazzle. That's all that is. So there are glueless units that you absolutely can wear 100% glueless and without the spray. I personally like the Razzle Dazzle spray, but I'll show you how you can wear it without the spray just a little bit later on. So we put the unit on. I'm talking about we, like I did this. He put the unit on, and initially that was to just cut the slits and just like size my head. So now that he's hot combed my part and plucked it, now it's time to cut the lace. There are some stylists that use the zigzag scissors, or some stylists that use these scissors and cut in a zigzag pattern. But from what I've seen, this undetectable HD skin-like lace can be cut straight across because it really does mimic a hairline, and the way that it was plucked also to mimic the hairline. So this is the method that I was referring to earlier, how you can wear your wigs 1000% glueless. As you can see, TJ is sewing my lace down to my braid and my wig cap that is underneath, and he can actually do that on both sides, pull it pretty taut, and that way you don't absolutely have to apply the spray, whatever spray you choose to apply, to lay your wig down. For me personally, like I said, I do like the spray. I do like the added razzle dazzle because it just gives you that security. But if you wanted to, let's say, go on vacation, you wanted to go swimming, just have the ear tabs sewn down, have the frontal pulled taut, and again, you really won't have to, with the elastic band and the ear tab sewn down, spray your unit down every single time. So that's just a little tip, but we're moving on to my favorite part now. With this HD skin-like undetectable best lace in the world, this is like my favorite lace ever, y'all. With this lace, you really don't have to add baby hairs, but can we just take a second to just look at this? Oh my gosh, look at this lace. Look how skin-like it looks as I'm holding the hairs that will be cut. So TJ is just going to flat iron. Why do I keep calling this hot comb a flat iron, y'all? He's gonna hot comb my hair just to give it just a little shape and separate the actual hair from the baby hairs. And then we're gonna create swoopy swoops. Usually TJ will use the Nairobi foaming mousse, but this time he used a foaming mousse by EBIN. Pronounce that how you will. So now we're tying down the baby hairs and just letting the lace just melt while he flat irons the hair. Good for you, Ashley, because this is actually a flat iron. Okay, so let's talk about the actual hair for a second here. When I brought the unit to TJ, it was already colored like this. All he did was tone it just a little tiny bit. And when I say tone it, like he just added a bit of toner, and that was it. You could even wash this with purple shampoo and that could just be it. So I absolutely love the hair. I love this unit. There is one, and I do mean one, teeny tiny thing, and that is the density of this unit. If it were 180, 200, or even 250, I mean, I would want to be buried in this unit. That's how perfect it is. So you can always customize the density of these units. I just wanted to put a note that the density is 150 and I would just like it to be a bit thicker. So here I am spraying some hairspray to tame the flyaways as I just comb through. This is the unit completely installed and styled. I absolutely love it. I hope you do as well. Check out U-Wigs, their Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale. And until next time, stay beautiful. I love you. Bye.